Time for a quick and easy makeover using our cordless breeze system. Applying 6 to 8 drops of the Rose 4-in-1 foundation. Remember to always keep that system moving. To give my lashes volume and length, I'm applying the Lash Lure Magnetic Eyelashes. To add shape to my face, I'm applying a deeper tone to my cheekbones and forehead. To add a subtle dewy glow, I'm applying Love Illuminator using my Breeze airbrush system. Applying the Illuminator on my T-zone, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. To protect my makeup all day long, I'm applying the Final Seal setting spray. And that's how you can achieve this quick and easy look.